Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of vocabulary building. Today we will learn some more words to build our vocabulary. Adapt, adapt, and adopt. These two words have the similar pronunciation, so one may confuse while listening these words. But for this, we have to see the construction of the sentence, in which sense the speaker or the writer is using these words. In writing, we will have no problem as the spellings are different, but in speaking, we may suffer from some problem. But if we will think on the sense of the sentence, we may understand if we know the meaning of the word and difference between these two words. Adapt means adjust, ADAPT, adjust. Human beings can easily adapt themselves to the new environment. Adapt, second, EPT means skilled. Mona is adept in speaking different language. Now see the difference of usage. See the construction of the sentence. Construction of the sentence. Both sentences are differently constructed. Adept in speaking can easily adapt themselves. Now, the construction of sentence is making you clear the meaning of both of these words, which normally are confusing. So, if you see the construction in writing and in speaking, in writing, spelling would be in front of you as the screen is showing the spellings. But in listening, you may get difficulty in understanding the meaning if you don't know the meaning of the word. You may get confused. If you know the construction of sentences and the sense in which these words have been used, there will be no difficulty in understanding in which meaning the writer is using them. Now, the third one is adopt, means to accept as your own. It is difficult to adopt someone as your new son. So these are three different words with three different meanings to have the same pronunciation. So there needs a sense to understand the meaning and the context in which these words have been used. Now, this is adverse and this is averse. Adverse mean unfavorable and hostile. It is related with the attitude. These driving in adverse winter conditions may be putting themselves at risk. Those driving in adverse winter condition may be putting themselves at risk. He made adverse remarks at his progress report. So this is something with the actual doing, actual work, while a verse is related to the feelings, unwilling, repelled. It is not, adverse is not related to the feeling, it is related to doing something. A verse is related to the feeling as it means unwilling or repelled. Something which repels you, something which forces you not to do, something which makes you nauseatic to do it, something which you are not willing to do. He was averse to the idea of putting the company at risk. I was averse to giving in to the kidnapper. Averse to. It is not my attitude. I don't feel like bowing before the kidnappers or easily giving in to them. These are the meanings of adverse and averse. Thank you very much for watching. The series will continue. Don't forget to listen the forthcoming lectures of vocabulary building and confusing words. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.